How to apply a color tint filter to the screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up settings. Then in the settings page, make sure you go back to the main settings page. And then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on display and text size. Then scroll down and tap on color filters. At the top here, tap on the color filters toggle button and make sure it is turned on. After that, we scroll down and tap on color tint. Once you have selected color tint, the tint will apply to your screen immediately. In here, below that, you can change the intensity of the filter, and you can also change the hue color of the tint. And that's it. So here we have it more green or more blue or more or a warmer reddish or yellowish color. Here we can also apply the intensity of the color. And that's it. If you want to turn it off, you can go to the top and turn off color filters, and that will switch off the tint. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.